Hello. I just wanted to pop into your life just for a little bit today and say Happy Valentine's Day. I made you this card. I also made some clay lovebirds for all you lovebirds out there, which works out pretty well for me because my sweetie's nickname is Bird. But aren't they cute? These little birdies. So in this video, you can watch me make them out of clay. I'm going to put them in this little bird cage because that's what love is like. It's like being in a little cage. Get in there and love each other, birdies. Just kidding. So, aren't they sweet and cute, those little birdies in the bird cage? Little Valentines, birdies. Okay. Well, anyways, I hope you have a super awesome, fantastic, out of control Sunday, Valentine's Day in February 2021. Alright. I am making some lovebirds because it's Valentine's. I like to clean my tools while I use them. Well, there you go. I made some birdies and now they're baked already. And I'm going to glaze them with this magical glaze. I hope that you had fun watching that, and I also hope you have a fantastic Valentine's Day and have fun claying around. Bye bye.